In this video, we're going to talk about the second vritti, or the second fluctuation of the mind, which is called Viparyaya, wrong knowledge or error. In the last video for Sutra 1.7, we talked about the first type of vritti, which is pramana, right knowledge, which is marked by the three types of right knowledge, which are pratyaksha, sense perception, anumana, inference, and agama, which is scripture or verbal testimony. Now that we have talked about right knowledge, now we're going to talk about wrong knowledge or error in the Yogasutra, which is the second fluctuation of the mind or the second vritti. Now, Sutra 1.8 states, Viparyayo mithya jnanam atad rupa pratishtham. Viparyayo mithya jnanam atad rupa pratishtham. Viparyaya, wrong knowledge, is established in pratishtham. Wrong knowledge is established in the form of not that. Viparyaya pratishtham rupa atat. Viparyaya, wrong knowledge, is established in the form rupa of not that, atat. So that means that wrong knowledge is something that is established in a form that is not really what it is. So that, something being established in that would be correct knowledge, right? But this is something that is established in not that, in a form that is not that. And also it is mithya jnanam, which is erroneous knowledge, knowledge that is erroneous or false. So viparyaya, wrong knowledge, is established in a form that is not that, and it is knowledge that is erroneous. So as an example, Vyasa in his bhashya or the commentary says, you look up at the sky and you see two moons. We know that there are not two moons. There aren't two moons. We know that there's only one moon. And so seeing two moons is wrong knowledge. And that's a type of viparyaya. That's a vritti, a fluctuation in the mind. When you see something other than what it is, fluctuation in the mind occurs. The sense organs perceive this. And the thing is that it's wrong knowledge. And that's it. And wrong knowledge is dispelled by right knowledge. Viparyaya is dispelled or defeated by pramana. And this is pretty much the basic understanding of what wrong knowledge is in the Yogasutra. And we'll see, when people misperceive things, how it leads them to make wrong actions. And how, for example, avidya, ignorance, in the Yogasutra is defined as seeing something that is temporary as permanent. So that's a type of wrong knowledge, We think of the body or we think of the things around us as something that'll last for a long time. And this is because of erroneous conception, And as a more basic example, we see like a friend. We see a friend and we think that, or we see somebody and we think that's our friend, but it's really not. So that's false knowledge. So the first vritti or fluctuation, when you perceive something correctly, is pramana. But when you see something incorrectly, it's viparyaya. It's false knowledge. So yeah, in the next video, we'll go through the next vritti or fluctuation of the mind.